Hello, hello. We are live. Hello, everyone. So here we go again. Live every Tuesday, and this evening in the UK, we're going to talk about our topic about chasing people, recruiting, selling. Is that really how this online business works? So we're going to let you know everything about in a bit. Okay. Um, but first of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Sarah, and I'm here living in the UK, and I'm also working in the hospital. My family is here as well, and I'm originally from the Philippines. Now, it's time for my co-host to introduce themselves first. Jeannie, please start.
Okay, thank you so much, Sarah. Hello, everybody. Good evening to our viewers and to my fellow host here. My name is Jenny. I'm a Filipina living here in France. I work in childcare and running a digital business on the side. I'm so excited for our topic tonight. We are all complete again. Back to you, Sarah.
Thank you. And Liberty.
Hi, everybody. My name is Liberty. I'm originally from the Philippines, now living in Newcastle, UK. I'm a mom of two amazing teenagers, and I also work as a nursing assistant for the NHS. And alongside this job, I do this online business where I help healthcare professionals, moms, and dads earn extra income online. Back to you, Sarah.
And Rosalie. Rosalie.
All right, now I was a mute. All right, so blessed Tuesday, everyone, and to our beautiful ladies with us tonight, to our audience, good evening, good morning, or whatever time you are watching replay. Stay tuned. By the way, my name is Rosalie, a mom of one, originally from Philippines, currently living and working as dental assistant, and of course, Christian entrepreneur at my free time.
Perfect.
Thank you.
And he what?
Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Hewitt. I live in London, UK. I am a mom, by profession, and I'm IT, and um, currently working as a side hustle, digital business owner, and helping parents, especially moms, to get extra income uh, while having their 9 to 5 corporate job, like all of us. So yeah, it's gonna be it's a good topic that we're gonna discuss today. And back to you, Sarah. Thank you.
And Mel.
Hello everyone. So my name is Mel. I'm also from UK. I'm a mom and a full-time nurse. Alongside doing my nursing job, I'm also a digital business owner, and we are happy again to have this conversation tonight, and I hope everyone will enjoy it.
Thank you, lovely ladies. Thank you. So now, shall we proceed with our go live and with our topic? I'm sure that most of our viewers will be interested to know all these things. So tonight we're talking about a question or few questions that comes up all the time when people hear about our online business. For example, do you have to chase people? Do you have to recruit people? Or do you have to sell something? And honestly, before many of us started, we had exactly the same questions. Like many people, we assumed that online business meant constantly messaging people, convincing family and friends to join, or becoming some kind of salesperson. But, we don't want that, do we? But after becoming part of this business, we discovered that what we assumed and what we actually experienced were very, very different. So tonight, we're going to have an open and honest conversation about some of the biggest misconceptions people have about this business. And also, we want to share our own experiences. So let's get started. Um, shall we start with Jeannie? Jeannie, many people think they need business experience before starting an online business. What would you say to someone who feels they don't know enough to get started?
First, honestly, I would tell them that you should not let fear control you to stop you. You know, if you're curious, just go for it. You know, if you're curious, just ask. We're here to answer. And, you know, that's what I did when I first discovered this opportunity. And when, in my case, when I started, I had no background in digital business. I was just a working mom trying to find extra income online. I was not a business owner yet. I was not a marketing expert and definitely not a how do you call it? Tech savvy, a tech expert. But you know, I realized that most successful people that we see, they were also beginners, right? They started in the beginning. So let's put it this way: when you first started to learn how to drive, or your first time to use your smartphone and start a new job, you didn't know everything on day one, right? So you learn step by step, and that's the same in business. And you know, skills can be learned if you are willing to learn, and that's why you know the mentorship, the support, and the training are very important. And you know, if you start this business, they are all here, they are provided. And also you don't have to figure out everything on your own. And yeah, so one thing also I realized is that you know the people in most cases, they um they wait for a long time, like they really wait, you know, just to feel ready, just the feeling. And maybe sometimes it takes them years to wait, but you know, we overlook this fact that, you know, confidence does not come before action. It's only the moment we decide to take action and keep going. You know, we progress, we build confidence as we go on. So if you are watching this video right now, you see us and maybe you're curious, you're interested, but you feel like I am not, you know, I don't know much. But you know, you remember this, as I said, you don't know, you don't have to figure out everything by yourself because you will be guided. You have a mentor, you have a coach, you have the support from the amazing community. All right, that's all from me. Back to you, Sarah. Thank you.
That is absolutely true. What Jeannie said, that you know, to be able to start this business, you don't need any business background at all, because once you get started, training will be given, and also there's this supportive community that is really good. All you have to do is just, you know, you need some confidence, and you know, you need to have the guts. You need to have this you really need to have this fire in you, that you really want to be a business owner. And if you have a dream in your life, then no matter what it is, then you're going to pursue it, isn't it? Now, so let's talk about another common concern. Does this business involve selling? Rosalie, one common concern is selling. Do you need to be a salesperson to succeed in this business?
All right, thank you for that great question. Yes, one common concern really in our business is selling. You know what? Do you need to be a salesperson to succeed in this business? And that's actually one of the biggest misconceptions people have. Before I started, I didn't consider myself a salesperson at all because my background is in caregiving and healthcare. And selling was never something I thought I would do. And what I discovered is that this business isn't really about pressuring people or convincing anyone to buy something. Instead, we all know that it's about learning how to communicate, to share information and have genuine conversations. And when someone asks questions, I simply share my experience, what I've learned, and the information available to them. Then they can decide for themselves whether it's something that fits their goals or needs. Like in my experience, building trust and relationship is much more important than trying to sell. People appreciate honestly, transparency, and feeling supported rather than pressured. And of course, communication is a skill, and like any skill, it can be learned and improved over time. And I certainly didn't know everything when I started, and that's the truth. But through training, through mentorship and consistent practice, I become much more confident in sharing information and helping people explore their options. So if someone worried because they're not salesperson, I would say that's completely okay. Many people begin without sales experience, and what's often more important is yung being willing to learn, be authentic, and focus on serving others rather than trying to convince them. And that's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Rosalie. That's very nice, and thank you for sharing. Yes, selling is definitely one of the biggest fears people have. I also have fear of that because, honestly, for me, I don't really like to sell something because I'm quite of an introvert, and it's I don't really like it, that idea. But with this business, the reason why I joined is because I know that it doesn't involve selling. So so now let's move on to the another topic. Another thing we hear all the time is I don't want to chase people or bother my family and friends. You know, those are this one is one of the dilemma that uh, most people have, isn't it? We don't want to bother our family and friends just to sell for this business. So he what? When people hear the word recruiting, they often imagine chasing family and friends. Has that been your experience with this business?
Thank you, Sarah. Yes, definitely. Because I think with the old perception, when you deal with businesses, you start with your just people who are near to you, like family and friends, and you have to chase them, you have to convince them so that they can join your business. But this all changed thanks to the online space. I believe it changed how the business works those days, because we use like social medias, contents, and many streaming medias to 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 introduce or to advertise our business or what we do. Which means we are attracting people like us. Example, me, when I for the first time when I hear about this business was on social media, when a mom, a working mom, just like me, where she was talking about how things, how she gets, how this business changed her life. I didn't know this person before, but like it clicks because the way she was saying was attracting me, because I was facing the same problem that she was facing before. Now she is stable because of this business. So we attract people, we don't chase them. We build connections, but we don't convince them. It's just we provide all the necessary informations that they need so that they know what we are talking about, what this business is, and if it's the right fit for them, if it's the right fit for the family. So we attract them, we build a relationship, and then we provide all the information. After that, it's up to the people, or it's up to the person to decide if they have to involve or if they have to be in this business, which means we are just those people that we're getting every day, we get contact to, they are not our family, they are not our friends. We might live like in a different continents for that matter. We're here in the UK. We have a lot of people in different parts of the world. So um, this has been like a lot of people ask me or mention this, that because they don't want to. Every time you go to a party or you go somewhere, people will say, "Oh, here she come again. He's gonna talk about that business." We don't do that. People don't say that to us because that's not what we do. That's not how our business works. As I say, we deliver what we have, we share our experiences, and people who are interested to check, they will come to us. And that's how our business works. And that's what I love about this business, because I really don't want to chase like uh, family and friends. It doesn't mean that people in your family or friends are not going to change this business. My friend joined this business, she's my business partner. My sister joined this business, she's my business partner. But as I said, I didn't convince them, but they were attracted for with the what the business can offer. So yeah, it has been an experience for me too. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Hiwo. It's very, very well said and very well explained. Yeah, in this business, we don't chase people. We don't ask our family and friends to join us. But they come to us. Not anyone can come to us. All those who we share the same goals, the same ambitions, we attract them. So they come to us. We don't go to them. They come to us. That's the best thing about this business as well. Um, that's an important distinction, because many people assume that recruiting in this business is about recruiting people or constantly chasing people. So he would explained it very, very well. And now let's talk about another thing that makes a big difference in any business: having the right support and training. So Mel, how important are the training, mentorship, and support system in helping people succeed in this online business? I think you're muted.
Okay. So,
Thank you.
yeah, hello everyone again. So those trainings, mentorships, and the supports from our community is a really, really good thing that our company, our marketing system has been provided to us. So we have our step-by-step trainings, and these trainings are not difficult. They are very easy, very simple, and easy and simple to follow, that anyone can do. You don't need any skills or any expertise. And these trainings are provided 24/7. So it's accessible to anyone and very suitable to any busy working parents, and very flexible to our schedule. So it's really a good training system that our company has been provided to the business owners. And the second one is the support. We really have a big community. The other day, I saw the numbers on our community, and it's about 285,000 community members, and it's really huge platform this time. So as soon as you will join, you will get your own mentor and coach, which is really a big help to someone who is starting to build their business, because you can always ask support from them. And so because of the big community, it's really a proof that this platform, this online business, is really working to people who are really looking to have a better future, And it shows that this business is really legitimate and there's no hocus pocus. And so everyone can get support. No one is left behind. You can always communicate to anyone in the community. Everything is provided to you. And you don't need to figure out on your own. So you can ask anyone in our online system. We're accessible every day, daily. Yeah, and there's lots of trainings, and it's not only you can grow your income, extra income, it will also show you grow your personal mindset, your personal development. So you are really going to grow into this business, your personality. Yeah, everyone that who is not confident, as the days goes by, they will learn how to communicate, to talk to people. And yeah, I'm really enjoying this because I was really not confident before, and until now I'm developing it. So yeah, I'm glad I found this business. Yeah, it's really a good platform.
Thank you, Mel, for sharing. Um, so this is how this business has to offer. So once you decided that you want to be an online business, this company will give you the right training, the mentorship, the support systems, and you'll be able to get your own. You will be given your own website. So those are everything for free. You don't have to worry about managing your website because this company will do it for you. Okay, and also what I like about this is every week we're getting masterminds, and we learned a lot from it. We were taught how to do business branding, business skills, business marketing, everything that that we can ask for. We are all the online business owner like us are fully supported with this big company. So thank you, Mel, for sharing with us. Now let's hear from Liberty. Liberty, what would you say to someone who is interested but lacks confidence or is afraid to start?
Hello again, everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in. And yes, so if someone is interested in becoming an online business owner but lacks confidence or feels afraid to start, I would say, I would tell them that those feelings are completely normal. It's completely valid. Most successful entrepreneurs didn't start with confidence. They built confidence by taking action. And so when I started this online business, when I started exploring this business, I also had doubts. I wondered if I was capable, if I knew enough, or if I would make mistakes. Then what I learned is confidence doesn't come before you start. Confidence comes from starting, learning, and growing through the process. So, my advice is to focus on progress and not on the perfection. So, you don't need to know everything on day one. You only need to be willing to learn, stay consistent, and take one step at a time. And remember, every expert was once a beginner. And I would also encourage them to find supportive community like the one we have now here in our online business. And you need to find your mentors. Of course, you will be assigned with your mentor and your coach, and they are there to guide you. And being surrounded by people like these ladies here tonight, and all the community in this business, um, you need to ask for their support, and especially for the people who have already walked this path, can make a huge difference and help you believe in yourself and when you're still building that confidence as well. So remember, the biggest risk is often not trying at all. So maybe a year from now, you could either be wishing you had started today or celebrating how far you've come. So give yourself permission to begin. So even if you're scared, but your future self will thank you later. So your future self will thank you for taking that first step. Back to you, Sarah.
Thank you, Liberty. I love that because confidence isn't something we're born with. It's
Yes.
something we develop through learning, action, and experience. And thank you to all our amazing ladies for sharing their experiences tonight. As we wrap up tonight's conversation, I hope we've helped answer some of the questions and misconceptions people often have about our online business. Many of us started exactly where you might be today. We had doubts, we had fears, we had questions. We thought we needed business experience. We thought we needed to be good at sales. We thought we needed to chase people and convince everyone around us. But what we discovered was something very, very different. What attracted us to this business was the training, mentorship, support, automation, and proven system that teaches ordinary people like us valuable business skills. We were taught skills such as communication, personal branding, attraction marketing, leadership, mindset development, and how to leverage digital systems. And yes, this is how we earn in this business. We learn valuable skills, we apply those skills, we stay consistent, and we follow the training. And once people get to know us, they get attracted to us, and then they come to us. So, and we help people who are looking for solutions, opportunities, and personal growth. Instead of chasing people, we learn how to become more visible online, share values, and we build trust as well. People became curious about what we're doing and often reach out as to wanting to know more, isn't it? Because when we get curious about something, then and then people will come to us and they're going to ask, oh, I really want to I need more info about this online business that you're doing. And of course, just let me remind every one of you, like any other businesses, success doesn't happen overnight, okay? So this business requires commitment, consistency, and it requires being willing to learn and grow, okay? So you need to be coachable, open-minded, and you have to be flexible as well. So before we say good night to everyone, can please let us share to all our viewers how they can reach us to us. Liberty, nakamute.
Hello, everyone, again. And thank you so much to our viewers. And if ever you're going to watch this via replay later, you can still drop comments and we can answer your questions if ever you have one. So yes, if ever you're curious what we are building here, we are all online business owners here, and we help people earn extra income online. So if ever you wanted to do something like this as well alongside your full-time jobs, please reach out to us. And for me in particular, my website is www.libertyvasquez.com, and just you can check out a free information video and we can help you get started from there. Thank you so much.
And Rosalie? Rosalie?
Or I was muted again. I remember Mel last time. All right, so why wait for the right time when your dream life is already calling you? Start with our free video now. So if you want to connect, or if you're curious, as Liberty said, just reach to any of beautiful ladies here, and we have our website, or just comment in our pages, below, and then we will reach you out. But my website is www.rosanico.com. I'm so sorry because it's very hot here. So sorry to distract you with my pamaypay. Thank you, ladies. Thank you.
Jeannie?
All right. So to those of you watching this video, you don't want chasing family and friends, you don't want selling, you don't want to, so you just have to, if you're curious and you want to know about this business, then reach out to any of us. And as for me, you can just sign up with your name and email address for a free webinar at www.geninotdigital.com. So after you signed up, you will receive an email, and in that email, you will have the webinar link. It's a free information session available for you. Take your time and discover this opportunity. If it fits for you, then you decide. Thank you so much. Back to you, Sister.
Mel? Do you want to invite them on your website?
Hello, everyone. So I'm Mel again. So if you are curious and you want to be fully informed about what our business is doing, we have a pre-registration and pre-training. So you can comment or visit our websites in any one of us. And my website is www.melcbailey.com. And have a good evening, everyone. Bye.
And he what?
Okay, I'm back again. So as we said, it's attraction marketing. So any one of you is gonna watch, is we're watching us now or gonna watch a replay. If you're attracted or if you're curious to want to know more for what we are talking about, you just can reach out to our website. Our website is www.hiwakauraku.com. You can start using your name and your email, or you can send us the details so that we can register you, and then you will get a free what do you call it, a webinar, and then you will do your due diligence so that you will know that what this business is all about, and you'll have an introduction, and then if you're interested, you can take it from there. So thank you everyone for watching us, and thank you for hosting this live session today, Sarah. And have a good evening, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much to our amazing ladies and to our viewers. Thank you for watching us. Just always remember that this business can provide you an opportunity to create more income, more flexibility, and more possibilities for yourselves and for your families. Okay, so thank you for joining us tonight. Thank you. Bye, everyone. See you next week again. See you next
Bye.
Thursday.
Bye,
God bless you all.
Bye-bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
Sarah.
Have
Thank you,
a
everyone.
good evening.
Bye-bye. Bye.